Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be making this beautiful mixed media card which you can gift it to your mom for the coming Mother's Day. So let's get started and make this beautiful mixed media card. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.